Hello friends, I am Dr. Shweta Mittal Gupta, Senior Consultant at the Center of IVF and Human Reproduction at Sir Gangaram Hospital. In the platform of Vibrate, today I will be discussing case-based files of IUI. Vibrate is an educational platform offered by Indian Fertility Society. Intrauterine insemination is a very popular method to enhance conception in infertile couples practiced by most of the gynecologists and infertility specialists. IUI is generally offered for couples with unexplained infertility, with mild male factor infertility, with unilateral tubal defect, with certain ovulatory dysfunctions, cervical factors, and many more. Even though it seems like a very simple procedure, but to optimize the results of IUI needs a lot of fine tuning. So I decided that today in this platform I would be discussing various cases pertaining to IUI, the choice of this procedure for them, the methodology for semen preparation, and how to optimize the luteal phase. I hope you all will be benefited by listening to this case-based discussion on IUI. I'm looking forward to meet you all on the 16th of September. And in the end, I want to thank Zydus for giving us the educational grant to go ahead with this program. I'm looking forward to meet you all.